Hi, my name is Zach, and I'm going to take you through my assignment 2 for computer system. First, I will start by showing the functioning of my assignment first. We start the program, and as you can see, the user interface will display first. You can see the clock here, and the time is 0 seconds. Now, I will press the B button on the keyboard to start the clock, and it can be able to pause the clock when I press B once again. I'm going to show you the spread function by pressing S on my keyboard, and so as you can see, when I press S on my keyboard, nothing gonna be happen, but it will store the current time into the split time memory. Now I will press the R button to reset all the clock and show you something more interesting. I'm gonna press S 3 times on the keyboard. 1, 2, 3. And the next step is I'm gonna press B to stop the clock. I split the clock at 5, 6, and 7 seconds. When the clock goes to a bold state, I can load and display all split record as I used to store in memory. The number of records can be up to 5. When the record you enter more than 5, this will replace the new one with the oldest record. Now I will explain the functionality of my program. As you can see, when the clock is on bold state, the main loop will be looping to keep the processor running. Depending on the interrupt, when pressing the B button, the processor will run out of the main loop and go to the timer. We have tick function to calculate and store the main time of the clock. We have the delay function to ensure the clock tick exactly every 1 second. Now I'm going to talk about interrupt. When I press in the keyboard, the interrupt will be running only if the button is valid. This means B or an S key. When I press B, this will change the state of pause like a switch. When I press R, this will reset all the memory containing the elapsed time and split time. Now we move to S button. That part has a little bit of complexity. The split will be divided into 2 scales. Load when the clock is paused and store when the clock runs. I deploy the mapping function here to ensure that the number of split records will not be lower than 0 and more than 5. To deploy that requirement, I use swap function. In the store process, this will swap and pop the oldest record. In the load process, this will swap and the second record to the first and third to second, after printing the split time. Last but not least, I brought the draw function into ARM-like digital display to complete all bonus points in the assignment.